Welcome back to this video series on Kotlin functions. Right now we're going to look at default arguments with Kotlin functions. So Kotlin gives us this ability to create some default arguments so we can actually call the functions in different ways and we don't always have to pass every single parameter. So if we take a look again, we have our class file called default arguments in this case. And again, what we see here is something very, very similar to a Java class or a C++ class or even a .NET class. You can see here we have our Kotlin project, 7 functions, and we have our functions package. We can see the package referred to up here. One of our functions here, we can see the default, we can see here the default value. So if name is not specifically called, it will Kotlin will take the default value as a parameter and add it to the block for the function. And similar down here with this mathematical type of a function here, we can see these 3 parameters. But the default one we can see here isn't being called, so we are here it's being valued, so it will then be used in the actual calculation. If we see how these are called, we can see here display greeting is one time called with a specific specifically called with the parameter name given a value, and then the second time it's called without name given a value, so therefore it will take the default value that's provided in the function. And then again, the same thing here. We're not specifically valuing or calling or passing in D for arithmetic series sum. So, but Kotlin is allowing us to have that default parameter preceding the non-default parameter. So again, here is our main function, and our main function is calling our the functions in our class. So let's click on this execute arrow here and run this class file and take a look at the output. So again, we can see here the display greeting. First time John is specifically valued as name, and we can see where name, we can see the order here. So it's saying hello John. And the message is welcome to the Kali Coder blog. Then the next time this is called, its message is the only parameter being passed in, so therefore the default value is going to be used. So we can see here then Kotlin outputs hello guest, so it's getting that guest default parameter. Welcome to the Kali Coder blog. And then we can see here we're returning the integer here, but we have the mathematical series sum and how the default parameter was used there. So please take a look at this for your assignment, and please take a closer look at the previous video and go ahead in here and substitute in different default names or default parameters or default values and see what different output that you can get. And thank you for watching this video, and another one will be presented shortly.